Chinese tones. Chinese tones and music notes are both involved with pitch changes. We all know the music notes. The highest pitch here is so. It's similar to the first high tone. If we rise from low pitch to high pitch, it's similar to the second rising tone. The lowest pitch here is do. It's similar to the third low tone. If we fall from high pitch to low pitch, it's similar to the fourth falling tone. Now let's take a look at some word examples. The stressed syllable in an English word usually has a higher pitch than other syllables. For example, apple. The stressed syllable a with a high pitch is similar to the first Chinese tone, a. The Chinese word ma, which means mom, has the first high tone, ma. The Chinese word kai, which means open, also carries the first high tone, kai. The second tone rises from low pitch to high pitch, just like the English question, what? Ah? Ah? The Chinese word ma, which means hemp, carries the second rising tone, ma. The Chinese word li, which means pear, also carries the second rising tone, li, li. The third tone is at the lowest pitch with a very slight rising towards the end of the tone, ah, ah. It's similar to the English low pitch sound, The Chinese word ma, which means horse, has the third low tone, ma. Chinese word hao, which means good, also carries the third low tone, hao. The fourth tone falls from high to low pitch. It's the same as the English negation word no, ah, ah. The Chinese word ma, which means scold, carries the falling tone, ma. The Chinese word hua, which means draw, also carries the falling tone, hua. In summary, the first tone is high and flat, ah. It's the same as the English sound apple. The second tone is rising from low to high pitch, similar to what? Ah? The third tone is low, like the English low pitch sound, with a slight rising towards the end, ah. The fourth tone falls from high to low pitch, similar to English expression no, ah. With those tips in mind, let's practice the four tones using the Chinese vowels. Ah, 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 ah. O, 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 o. E, e, i, 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 u, 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 ü, 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 ü. We just learned all of the four Chinese tone marks. But sometimes a Chinese syllable can go without any tone mark on its vowel. This is called toneless or neutral tone. A syllable without any tone mark is usually shorter, light, de-emphasized, and at the mid-level of your pitch range. Just like when you say the English connection words, but, and, it's short and de-emphasized. For example, the Chinese word ma without a tone mark is the question particle ma, ma. The word 爸爸 means dad, where the second syllable also carries no tone mark. B. It's short and light, with a mid-level pitch. Chinese is a tonal language, which means different tones can cause different meanings. For example, with the same initial consonant m and the final vowel a, ma with the first tone means mother. Ma with the second tone means hen. Ma with the third tone means horse. Ma with the fourth tone means a goat. The last one, ma without any tone mark, means a question word.